Hello and welcome to your 15th Minecraft modding tutorial for Minecraft 1.2.5. This is SciGuy1121 and let's go ahead and get started. So, in the last tutorial I talked to you guys about how to make a block that has a different texture on each side. And I know I said in this tutorial I would talk to you guys about how to add a custom furnace, but I just don't have time to do that at the moment. I may have time later in the week. And expect a couple more tutorials later this week, but I just haven't had time to do that. And also, I'm sorry I haven't put up a video in the past week. Again, I've had a lot less time than I thought I would to do videos. And I've also been working on a lot of stuff. I've been working with the makers of Explosives Plus and ICBMs to make a mod I've made cross-compatible. That's taken up a lot of my time, that sort of stuff. So let's get started with this tutorial. I want to talk to you guys about how to create a sugarcane-esque growth system. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to mess around with our block tutorial block because I don't have a new texture to use, and also to get an actual sugarcane-esque texture where it's like hollow in the center. That's a bit more complicated to do, and I'll be doing a tutorial some other time on that. But yes, I'm just going to mess with the block tutorial block. And this is all about adding a few new things. The first thing we want is a method which is public void update tick, I believe, and this is world int x int y int z random. And I believe this should, yeah. Okay. Also, if you're doing code and you're having issues where your block isn't doing something or other, make sure you have this little green arrow right here, because what that's saying is it's actually overriding the right method. If you don't have the green arrow, you didn't do something right. So inside our update tick method, we're just going to go ahead and do super dot update tick in x, y, z. Oh, world with a D, not an L. So this is basically just standard code right here, the super.update tick. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add an if statement. So if random.next int and put in here whatever number you want. Nothing less than 1. And then the higher the number, the longer it's going to take to grow. I'm just going to put in 1 because I don't have time for the video exactly. Yeah. So if random.nextInt 1 equals 0, then we do this code. So just type grow. And then, yeah. And then x, y, z. So now let's just create a method called grow. Now this isn't going to be overriding something. This is a method we're creating. So just public void grow, and then int x, int y, int z. And then let's just say, we also need world. Okay, so let's just say world.set block with notify, and then x, y plus 1, z, and then we want our block, so block ID. And that's just saying grow this block. So that's basically code to actually make something tick randomly. This is the code to make something tick randomly. And then this would be if you just wanted it to, say, grow up like sugarcane. Now, what I'm doing, and this is where I learned to do this, is something where it's like spreading. And what you would do there is you'd have a more complicated system where you'd have for loops and a bunch of calls. This is really a simple version of it. So now the last thing we're going to want to do is go into your modtutorial.java, and for the tutorial block we want dot set tick randomly true dot set and then this is set require self notify. Okay, so let's go ahead and run and test. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, I was a bit worried there. So, New World 4. And if we just go ahead and put a bunch of these down, we should see at least one of them grow, hopefully. Otherwise, I did something wrong and I'm going to have to record the whole video again, which I don't want to happen. So, there, this one grew. This one grew. See? They're growing. And there it goes. So that is how you would make something tick randomly, and how you would set up a basic sugarcane-esque plant growth. So that'll be the end of this video. I won't have time to make as many videos as in a normal week, but I should be able to get out some more videos either today or later in the week. So yeah, and I should be able to do tech support as usual for the next month or so, when I'm not able to do videos. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.